everyone, welcome back to Saturday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, Selana Uthando Nesthemb season 6 episode 9. Many people thought Macele ungeno ngoma noma unedlozi. The way she was crying on the previous episode la bebekhombisa khona ukuthi kuzokwenzekani kule episode elandelayo. I was also convinced guys, but after watching episode 9 on channel 103, Macele explained that she is an intercessor, and normally if they're gonna have a function or something then they start by interceding for lo mcimbi. Yena ke uba semoyeni angabe sabona what is happening in real life, and ikona ke okwenzeke kuleya clip. She was just in the prayer mode. Umacele guys was celebrating 20 years eshadile nomyeni wakhe Macele'S, which was not an easy journey njengoba agcina sesithola sesithenjini nje. So when Macele looked back, she was reminded of the difficult time she had kulomshado wakhe no myeni wakhe Macele'S. So guys, yeah, akathwasike kodwa ube semthandazweni. What we saw ekhala ewaphansi ekhwisha was the manifestation of the Holy Spirit according to her. And that note guys, congratulations to their union. God has been so good. That's all I have for today. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.